Welcome to the ultimate VIP branding experience. Coming to you live from a beautiful yacht in the Miami Bay. We're gonna be touring the islands, the city, and having a little bit of fun with some amazing entrepreneurs and business owners from all across the country. This is my next level event that I've created for clients that I've done a branding program for, and I'm gonna give you a quick little tour of this yacht. First, I'm gonna have to do a quick change and get a little bit more nautical. Here we go. All right, now we're ready. Come with me and let's see the tour. Pretty sick. It's a 3-bedroom downstairs. It has a master bedroom with a private bath and a pretty decent full-size bed. It has a second room with a pretty same decent sized bed and a bathroom that's shared. And then it's got a third with 2 small beds. So technically you could comfortably sleep 6 people, no problem, not including the upper deck area where they have the nice benches and stuff like that. But now I want to take you up to the outside of the yacht so you can see some of the views. Here we go. Do you see this view? I know you can't hear me, but can you see this beautiful view behind me? Take over driving the yacht, and I'm going to take them to see the city now. So let's get this thing speeded up.